how to convert any MP4 file into MP3 file using VLC media player. And then on the top left you can see there's an option for media. Just tap on it and then go to convert, and then this pop-up will show up. Just tap on add and select the video that you want to convert into MP3. Then just tap on convert and then you will be directed to this, and here on profile select MP3 and then just browse your destination folder. So remember to rename file extension to MP3 and then just save, and now press on start. So now you can see our file has been converted. So now you can see our file. So now you can see our MP4 file has been converted into MP3 file. So subscribe to this channel for more how-to videos like this.